In this video, we're going to be reviewing Affiliate Booster. Affiliate Booster is a Gutenberg block plugin to help you build tables on your website. Now, it's part of Gutenberg blocks, meaning within WordPress itself, you can choose different blocks that you can then add to your pages, and you can make them look really, really nice. Now, in terms of what's available, in terms of pricing, Affiliate Booster right now is available on AppSumo. You know, I'm a sucker for a good deal. So with AppSumo, you can get a lifetime deal for only $49, which actually isn't too bad. If you scroll down a little bit here, you can see that you can stack the codes. 2 codes will give you 25 site license. 3 codes will give you 50 site license. I went ahead with just the first one because I'm not really sure if I'm going to put it on all of my sites, because as good as Affiliate Booster is, there is a couple of limitations that we'll get into later in the video. So the main draw with Affiliate Booster is that they can make some really good looking tables for your site. So for example, I'll go here to the demo. And oh, by the way, if you do want to check out Affiliate Booster, I will put a link to it in the description below. It'll take you to AppSumo, where you have the opportunity to get the lifetime deal. If you do sign up for that deal, please let me know down in the comments below, or send me an email just by checking out the About page on this channel, and shoot me an email saying that, hey Chris, I picked it up. You know, that'd be great. I really do appreciate it. It is an affiliate link. It will help the channel. But if you send it to me and let me know that you bought it, I will go ahead and send you my free blogging cheat sheet, which will show you step by step how to get a blog up and running to make sure you don't lose or forget or miss any steps to get things going on. So that's like a nice little bonus that you can check out just for helping to support the channel. And if you're going to buy it anyway, you know, you might as well use my links that you're watching this video. But anyways, by the way, if you do, you know, these lifetime deals on AppSumo do not last for very long. So if you're watching this video in the future and this deal is already gone, I'm going to change the link in the description to the Affiliate Booster affiliate link, where if you can still sign up and let me know about it, I'll go ahead and send you the free cheat sheet. So go ahead and, go ahead and check it out if you'd like to. But anyways, I just want to give you, based on what we see here, a couple of what these blocks look like, right? Because that's really what the big deal is. And I'm going to tell you, they pop out. They really, really do. So let's look at the demo here for the pros and cons. And you can see here pros, and then they have the little check marks and the X's, and then premium designs where you can get some nice looking here and looking there. And, you know, these are pretty good, because usually when someone lands on one of those, you know, end of funnel type posts, where those are like your best of type post or blank review type posts, if you give someone a quick little pros and cons, and then here's a call to action button to actually go buy the thing, you're going to get a pretty good click-through conversion for it. They do have a video here that basically shows you exactly how to use it as well. They've done a pretty good job at explaining how to not just create these, but then also customize them for your particular design, you know, to match the colors on your website and everything. Let's go back to another one. Cross this one out, and let's go to the comparison table, because comparison tables are huge online, especially with, you know, affiliate websites like we build. And you can see here, product table. This is just one version of it, where you can do the rating on the outside. And I don't know if you saw that when it loaded, it kind of just went a little circle. So there's a little animation there that looks pretty good. Rank, picture, name, rating, shops, you know, nice and common. You scroll down, and, you know, you get another version of the table where the rating is inside the circle. Not really sure what the difference is. You know, I mean, I get it, one's inside, one outside, but I don't know why it needs a differentiation like that. Here's another product table here that you know, they had the little 1 and the numbers kind of wrapped up. You can put the pictures, or you can just put the price. You can put multiple buttons over here. So you know, with a lot of these updates that have come out recently, Google actually wants people to send refers not just to Amazon, but to, you know, where they can get the best price. So you can put multiple buttons in here. You don't necessarily have to have the image on each one of these. But you can see how there's different versions of the table, and that's just about 3 of them there. And as you can see, they look really nice. You know, nothing to necessarily write home about, but this is pretty good to say that you would be able to build this directly in WordPress. So you do have to install a plugin for this one, but I can tell you it's very, very lightweight, and you don't have to worry about it slowing down your site as well. One thing that I did test is I put this on one of my affiliate buyers guides, and then I ran it through PageSpeed Insights just to see how fast or slow the site ended up becoming, and didn't slow it down down at all. I was still getting greens across the board, which is a pretty good indication. They do have an affiliate program where you can immediately, sign up for these things. It's actually kind of weird. Essential oils. Let's see what this means. Okay, this is just a blog post. All right, gotcha. So they're just trying to rank for some affiliate keyword terms here. But let's go to this affiliate booster here, and I want to check out these. The top pick is pretty good. Like, see, this is a really nice looking picture right here. I will tell you, one of the drawbacks that I did mention earlier is, and I did reach out to them to try to figure out how to do this, and they actually haven't gotten back with me, and it's been like a week. So a little question about the customer service there, but the first time I asked, I'm gonna be honest, the first time I asked a question, they responded very quickly, like later that day. The second time I asked a question about like how to make these things clickable, like these images, like you can't click this image and there's not really a way to make the image clickable. So I asked them, what can I do to make this? And they said that they would get back with me. It's been about a week and I still haven't heard back from them. So, that would be kind of, a knock in their, not in their favor. But with that said, these are some pretty good looking images that would look really nice on an affiliate page. They also look very good on mobile. That's a big deal because sometimes you can get these things to look great on a desktop, but once you get it down onto mobile, it's not going to look that great. They, form very well and you don't have to really worry about that. You can see here multiple buttons that you can put as well, Pepperfly, Flipkart, and Amazon. And again, you can't click the pictures, and that's a bit of an issue for me because that's a really huge CRO thing, or conversion rate optimization, is being able to make pictures clickable. For whatever reason, when people are clicking around looking at stuff on the internet, they like to try to click pictures, and if the picture doesn't send them to the affiliate program, then there's no way that you can put your cookie on their computer, and if they don't get the cookie on the computer, then you're not going to make any money, right? But regardless, these look pretty good here. Let's go back and look at one more. And you got the progress bars, conclusion. There was another one that I wanted to see. You do have call to action buttons here, so you can pepper these throughout your content to have someone just pops out and say, hey, go do this, and gives them a button to either buy now. That really does pretty good. And nice little content upgrades that you can put within your post as well. With buttons, you see here, this isn't ridiculously different that you couldn't just build these in WordPress in the first place and then just save it as a reusable block. But these are some options that you have for buttons as well. So list items, man, there was another one I wanted to show you, but I can't find it at this moment. But regardless, just the check boxes in here. I will say, in terms of the support for Affiliate Booster, there's a huge video that they have that's on YouTube by this guy right here. I believe he founded Affiliate Booster, and this is like a 30-minute video where he walks you through how to use the plugin and the things that you can do with it. He explains very, very well. It's not a very difficult plugin to use. You just got to add the block in the WordPress page or blog post that you happen to be putting it in, and it works out pretty well. So, but I would definitely recommend giving Affiliate Booster a try. You do get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so why not at least give it a try. $49 for that, and if you wanted to stack the codes, you can get, as he mentioned, 2 codes will get you 25 websites. These are unlimited, by the way. You can use this as much as you want and or need, and then for 3 codes you get 50 sites. So the reviews for it are pretty good. If you go to number 27, oh, this is a bad one. They didn't quite like it, but for the most part, they're actually pretty good. I'm going to be honest. I used it and I have it on one post and I like it. It works really well. There is a couple of limitations that we did recently just talk about. But I mean, if you're looking for a benefit to using affiliatetable.com or affiliate.io, this will give you something that you can use. So again, a link down in the description for you if you want to give Affiliate Booster a try. And if you are checking this out after the lifetime deal is already gone, just click on it. It will send you to the affiliate program for Affiliate Booster, and you can still give it a try. So other than that, thanks. Have a good day.